Are you confused about the differences between life insurance and annuities? You're not alone. Both products offer unique advantages, but they serve different purposes. Let's break this down so you can decide what's best for your financial future. First, consider their main purposes. Life insurance provides financial support to your dependents after your death. It ensures your loved ones can cover expenses like debts and education. On the other hand, annuities are designed to offer retirement income if you live longer than expected. They help you build a nest egg for your golden years. Next, let's look at payouts. Life insurance benefits are typically paid out after your death. The policyholder rarely sees this money. It's meant for beneficiaries only. Conversely, annuity payouts occur while you're still alive. An annuity can provide a steady income during retirement. Now, let's explore the types of plans available. Life insurance primarily comes in two forms: term and whole life insurance. Term insurance covers a defined period, usually 10 to 20 years. Whole life insurance lasts your entire lifetime. Some term policies can convert into whole life when the term ends. Annuities have their own classifications. They include deferred, immediate, and longevity annuities. A deferred annuity lets you postpone payouts after making premium payments. Immediate annuities start payouts within a year after purchasing. Longevity annuities kick in later in life, often around age 80. Which option is right for you? If you want to protect your loved ones financially after your passing, life insurance is ideal. However, if you're looking for retirement savings, an annuity offers tax-deferred growth. It's important to note that both plans provide death benefits, but with different focuses. If you're still unsure, consult with an insurance or annuity planning professional. They can guide you in making the right choice. When shopping for a plan, many reputable companies offer both products. Look into options from companies like AIG, Symetra, and New York Life. Always check their financial strength ratings and customer service records for peace of mind. In summary, life insurance assures your family's financial security when you're gone. An annuity provides income for living longer. Assess your primary purpose for purchasing one of these plans. As a final tip, become a better investor by exploring platforms like Robinhood. With Robinhood, you can trade crypto 24/7 and even receive your first stock for free. Start building your investment portfolio now. Don't wait, take action today. Whether you're considering life insurance or an annuity, the knowledge you gain will empower you to make informed decisions about your future. Are you still questioning which path to take regarding life insurance or annuities? It's vital to reflect on your current financial situation and long-term goals. Assess your family's needs and your retirement plans to ensure you make the best choice moving forward. Understanding the distinctions between life insurance and annuities is crucial, as each plays a unique role in your financial strategy. Life insurance acts as a safeguard for loved ones, while annuities serve as a financial cushion during retirement years. Both can coexist in your financial plan, complementing each other effectively. If your primary concern is ensuring your loved ones are supported financially after you're gone, then life insurance is your best bet. However, if you find yourself thinking about how to maintain a comfortable lifestyle during retirement, an annuity might be the more advantageous choice. However, it's important to recognize that your individual circumstances influence this decision significantly. Consider factors like age, health, dependence, and retirement goals. For example, a young family might prioritize life insurance to protect their children's future, while someone nearing retirement may focus on securing income. As you weigh these factors, remember that consulting with a financial advisor can provide personalized insight tailored to your unique situation. They can help clarify how these products align with your financial objectives and offer guidance on which options may suit you best. Additionally, understanding the fine print in each policy or contract can reveal essential details that impact your decision. Always ensure you're fully informed about any exclusions, limitations, or fees associated with each plan. Ultimately, your goal is to ensure your family's security while fostering a fulfilling retirement. So take the time to explore every avenue and make the decision that aligns with both your immediate needs and future aspirations. Deciding between life insurance and an annuity can be daunting, but it's essential to understand the consequences of your choice. Dive deeper into your financial aspirations and consider how each option can align with different life stages. Life insurance may offer peace of mind that your family's financial future is secured, while an annuity can provide the stability needed to enjoy retirement without the fear of outliving your savings. Both products possess distinct benefits and drawbacks that require careful evaluation. Remember, while life insurance is often seen as a safety net for your dependents after your passing, annuities serve to enhance your quality of life during your retirement years. When you start shopping for life insurance or annuities, you'll encounter several choices from various companies. It's important to do your research and assess what's most beneficial for your circumstances. Look for reputable providers, as their financial strength can impact your long-term security and experience. Consider reaching out to multiple companies, obtaining quotes, and comparing coverage options. Additionally, pay attention to customer service reviews and how approachable they are when addressing your questions. Taking these steps ensures you are not only selecting a policy that fits your financial strategy, but also one that provides peace of mind, knowing you're making a well-informed decision for your future. As you continue this journey of financial planning, remember to revisit your priorities periodically. Life circumstances can change, necessitating a shift in your financial strategy as well. Regularly reviewing your insurance and annuity options ensures they still align with your goals and needs. Ultimately, staying informed and proactive about your options will empower you to navigate your financial future confidently. In conclusion, carefully weighing the advantages of life insurance and annuities will lead you to the decision that best aligns with your personal financial goals. By understanding the roles these products play, you can secure your loved one's future and ensure a comfortable retirement for yourself. Take control of your financial destiny today.